Good morning. Today's Excel tip is going to be just a quick tip on the round function within Excel. To help illustrate this today, I've just created a simple spreadsheet where I'm going to distribute a certain amount to 17 different stores. So to help us illustrate this, there I've got the store number. I've got 17 stores listed. Up here, I put that there's 17 cases right now to be distributed. And then I've just written a quick formula to take the number of cases to be distributed divided by 17. This will just be something that can be very easy to help show what the round function will do. Right now, since I've got 17 cases and 17 stores, it's sending one case to each store. And I've just changed the formatting so we can see the number of different decimals that would be here based on that mathematical function. So right now it comes out nice because I've got 17 cases, 17 stores. Let's say if all of a sudden I had 100 cases, then it wants to send 5.88235 cases to each store. Now we know we can't send a decimal of a case to a store. So if I wanted to round that to the nearest case, I can use the round function. To do that, I'm just going to do equals round in my open parentheses. And now you'll notice it's asking me for what number I want to round. And so I'm just going to click on G1, and it'll reference, G6. It'll reference G6, and that's the number that it's going to round. And I put a comma, and it asks me how many digits I want to round to. And this would be basically how many decimal points you want to round this number to. For example, if I wanted to round it to 2 decimal points, I can put a 2 there and close my parentheses and hit enter, and it rounds it to 5.88. If I change that 2 to a 0, then I'm going to have 0 after 0 decimals. So this would round the 5.88 up to a 6. Now, if I wanted to, I could drag that down, and now I've got 6 cases to 17 different stores. Now, the only thing to watch out for here is now that adds equals to 102. So if this were a real world example, I'd have to take 2 cases out of there to equal the 100, but that doesn't have anything to do with the round function. This will follow just normal rounding rules. Anything 0.5 or higher will round up to the next number, or 0.5 or lower will round down. It's just straight rounding rules. This can come in handy if you're, again, wanting to do something that either you want to limit the number of decimals that it returns, or you need to get to the nearest whole number. You can use the round function. And that is today's Excel video tip. Have a great day.